Hello everyone. So now just few days left for the mains now. So what should be your strategy? Should you really be simulating the entire mains right before the actual game? See, if you want to simulate, well and good, but be mindful of certain things also. Many times these third party mocks questions are way off what actual questions will be in the mains examination, which may even demoralize you. Secondly, you may face burnout also. Burnout results in less creativity in the examination. Okay, so I will give you one analogy also. See, in sports, say a cricket World Cup happens. Do you think the Indian cricket team or any other participating team will simulate the entire World Cup right before 5 or 10 days before the actual event? No, right? They will rather more give emphasis to planning and strategizing. So rather you plan and strategize your mains properly. So have you identified which areas of the questions you will be attempting first? Say in GS2, whether IR or governance questions or polity, whether 10 markers or 15 markers, or in ethics, whether case studies or theory questions. Identify those areas which you will be attempting first. And what are your strengths? Attempt those areas first. It will generate a good tempo in the initial part of your paper, and the tempo will further help you navigate through the entire question paper. Have you gone through the past year papers? See, past year questions are gold mine in UPSC because there is one trend and it will help you identify that trend. So visit the past year papers, break down those questions, identify the variables in each questions, and are you able to link those variables with what the demand of the question is? Practice that rather. And if you want to write one or two questions, but don't get stressed out that you have not given enough test. See, there are also many cases where people have not given a single test and wrote the mains examination and were able to qualify also the final examination. So it depends from person to person. So identify your strengths and don't apply the same strategy what everyone is doing. Every person is different. Every person has different attitude and aptitude. Okay. And also don't worry that your head will pain, hand will pain, doesn't matter. Human body is very skillful in adapting to various situations. Your body will adapt. Nothing will happen. Just remain calm. And also there is a 3 hours gap between each paper. Everything will be fine then. Okay. And also now how you utilize those 3 hours. See, remain calm in that period also. Don't just try to revise everything within 3 hours. Everything you have studied now. And now importance lies in application part. Apply your creativity and skillfulness in the paper. If possible, only in calm situations, creativity will come. See this picture. See this athlete in the Paris Olympics took a short nap right before her event. And she was able to win gold also in that event. That is, remaining calm is very important. So remain calm in those 3 hours as well. And don't worry. Just remain calm and you will do well in this examination. Okay, calmness is the key. All the best for every one of you. Hope this helps. Happy learning.